Discover the pinnacle of smoothie making convenience with our top 7 best smoothie blenders. From powerful motors to sleek designs, these blenders are engineered to blend, puree, and pulverize with precision, ensuring every sip is packed with flavor and nutrients. Upgrade your blending game today. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Blendtech Total Classic Original Blender. Introducing the Blendtech Total Classic Original Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for blending perfection. Engineered with precision and power, this blender effortlessly transforms ingredients into smooth, delicious creations every time. Equipped with a robust 1560-watt motor and stainless steel blades, the Total Classic Original Blender pulverizes even the toughest ingredients with ease, from fibrous vegetables to frozen fruits, ensuring silky smooth results in seconds. Its patented jar design creates a powerful vortex, pulling ingredients towards the blades for thorough blending, while the blunt safety blade ensures worry-free cleaning and maintenance. With 6 pre-programmed cycles, including Smoothie, Ice Crush, and Hold Juice, and a pulse feature for precise control, this blender offers versatility to tackle any recipe. Whether you're whipping up nutritious smoothies, creamy soups, or indulgent desserts, the Total Classic Original Blender delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. Crafted with durability and style in mind, its sleek design and compact footprint make it a seamless addition to any countertop. Elevate your culinary experience with the Blendtech Total Classic Original Blender and unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Number 6. NutriBullet Pro 900 Blender. Experience the ultimate blending power with the NutriBullet Pro 900 Blender, your gateway to healthier living. Boasting a robust 900-watt motor, this blender pulverizes fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds effortlessly, unlocking vital nutrients and creating silky smooth concoctions. With its unique extraction blades and cyclonic action, the NutriBullet Pro 900 breaks down tough ingredients, ensuring maximum nutrient extraction for superior health benefits. Whether you're whipping up nutrient-rich smoothies, creamy soups, or indulgent nut butters, this blender delivers consistently smooth results every time. Designed for convenience, the NutriBullet Pro 900 features a compact, space-saving design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Its simple one-touch operation makes blending a breeze, while the dishwasher-safe components ensure easy cleanup. Elevate your health and wellness journey with the NutriBullet Pro 900 Blender, the perfect companion for achieving your nutritional goals with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, this powerhouse blender is sure to become your go-to appliance for creating delicious, nutrient-packed concoctions. Number 5. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. Experience the ultimate blending performance with the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. Engineered to elevate your culinary creations, this powerhouse appliance combines precision blades with a robust motor to effortlessly pulverize fruits, vegetables, and ice into silky smooth concoctions. Featuring total crushing technology, this blender boasts a 1,000-watt motor that effortlessly crushes ice and blends ingredients with ease, ensuring consistently smooth results every time. Whether you're whipping up nutrient-packed smoothies, creamy soups, or indulgent frozen cocktails, the Ninja Professional Blender delivers restaurant-quality blends in the comfort of your own kitchen. Equipped with a large 72-ounce pitcher, this blender is perfect for serving up delicious drinks and dishes for the whole family or entertaining guests. The pitcher is also BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning and peace of mind. With its sleek and modern design, the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender not only enhances your kitchen aesthetics, but also revolutionizes your blending experience, making it a must-have appliance for any home chef or smoothie enthusiast. Elevate your culinary game with the Ninja Professional Blender today. Number 4. Oster Versa Pro Series Blender. Introducing the Oster Versa Pro Series Blender, the pinnacle of blending excellence designed to elevate your culinary adventures. Engineered with precision and power, this blender is your ultimate kitchen companion, capable of effortlessly transforming ingredients into smooth, velvety creations. With its robust 1400-watt motor and versatile stainless steel blades, the Oster Versa Pro series blender tackles even the toughest ingredients with ease, whether you're blending fruits for a refreshing smoothie or pulverizing ice for a frosty cocktail. Its variable speed control allows you to customize your blending experience, while the Pulse feature provides bursts of power for precise blending control. Crafted with durability and style in mind, the Oster Versa Pro Series blender boasts a sleek, modern design that seamlessly integrates into any kitchen decor. The BPA-free Triton jar offers a generous 64-ounce capacity, perfect for preparing large batches of your favorite recipes. Experience the next level of blending performance with the Oster Versa Pro Series blender and unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Number 3. Breville BBL 620 Fresh and Furious Blender. Experience unparalleled blending power with the Breville BBL 620 Fresh and Furious Blender. Crafted for the modern kitchen aficionado, this appliance seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Equipped with a powerful 1100-watt motor, the Fresh and Furious Blender effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and even ice, ensuring smooth and velvety textures every time. Its advanced kinetics blade system, featuring surgical-grade stainless steel blades, guarantees consistent blending results, whether you're whipping up silky smoothies or creamy soups. Boasting innovative pre-programmed settings such as Green Smoothie and Auto Pulse Ice Crush, this blender streamlines your culinary endeavors, delivering optimal results with just the touch of a button. Plus, its illuminated LED display provides intuitive control and enhances user experience. Constructed with durable and BPA-free materials, the Breville BBL 620 Fresh and Furious Blender prioritizes both performance and safety. Its sturdy construction and easy-to-clean design make it a versatile addition to any kitchen, empowering you to create a myriad of delicious and nutritious recipes with ease. Elevate your blending game and unleash your culinary creativity with the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. Number 2. KitchenAid KSB 1570 SL 5-Speed Blender. Elevate your culinary experience with the KitchenAid KSB 1570 SL 5-Speed Blender, a sleek and powerful appliance designed to revolutionize your kitchen. With its robust 550-watt motor and 5-speed settings, this blender effortlessly tackles everything from silky smoothies to creamy soups with precision and ease. Crafted with durability in mind, the KitchenAid blender features a sturdy stainless steel blade that effortlessly pulverizes even the toughest ingredients, ensuring consistently smooth results every time. Its generous 56-ounce BPA-free pitcher provides ample capacity for blending large batches of your favorite recipes, while the IntelliSpeed motor control automatically adjusts the blade speed to maintain optimal performance. Equipped with a soft start feature, this blender gradually ramps up to your selected speed, minimizing splatter and ensuring a seamless blending process. The die-cast metal base adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop, while the intuitive controls make operation a breeze for both novice and experienced chefs alike. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies or experimenting with gourmet sauces, the KitchenAid KSB 1570 SL 5-Speed Blender is the ultimate kitchen companion for culinary enthusiasts everywhere. Number 1. COSORIC 700 PRO Blender. Introducing the COSORIC 700 PRO Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for crafting delicious and nutritious blends with ease. Engineered to perfection, this blender seamlessly combines power, versatility, and convenience to elevate your culinary experience. With a robust 1500-watt motor and 6 razor-sharp stainless steel blades, the C700 PRO effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Whether you're whipping up creamy smoothies, velvety soups, or indulgent nut butters, this blender delivers unparalleled performance. Equipped with variable speed control and 3 preset programs, including Smoothie, Soup, and Ice Crush, achieving your desired texture is a breeze. The intuitive LED touchscreen interface offers effortless operation, while the built-in safety features provide peace of mind during use. Crafted with durability in mind, the C700 PRO features a sturdy Triton pitcher that is both BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Plus, the sleek design and compact footprint make storage a cinch, saving valuable counter space. Elevate your blending experience with the COSORIC 700 PRO blender and unlock a world of culinary possibilities. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best smoothie blenders. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.